to my channel. This is Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I made some breakfast quesadillas and one breakfast taco. If you guys would like to join me on making some breakfast quesadilla and a breakfast taco and see what I put on the inside, then this is the video for you. Let's get into this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Okay, here I have a skillet. Into my skillet, I am going to add in some brown breakfast pork sausage. That's right, a pound of pork sausage. I am going to brown this pork sausage up. I want it to get nice and crumbly for our breakfast quesadillas. While my pork sausage is browning up for my breakfast quesadillas, I have a small amount of onions that I chopped up because I want a little bit of onion flavor in my quesadilla. You can add whatever you like in your quesadilla. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and finish browning up this sausage with my onions, everyone. And then we're going to move on to the next step for some delicious breakfast quesadillas. I have these potatoes. I am going to cut them up. I got these potatoes out of a can that I had. So instead of me throwing them away, I decided to let me chop these up and put these in my breakfast quesadilla. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fry these bad boys up to go into my breakfast quesadilla. Same skillet that I cooked my sausage in, I am going to cook my potatoes. I added a little extra oil because for some reason this sausage did not make enough oil. So I added about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to add a little seasoning to these potatoes. I'm going to add a little seasoning salt. Not too much, y'all. You don't want your food to be too salty. And I'm going to add in some black pepper. And remember, you season everything with love, okay? And that's just about 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of each. I'm going to add in some garlic powder. And remember, that's about a teaspoon. But with garlic powder, you can add as much as you like because there's no salt in it. Okay, so now we are just going to stir these potatoes around until we get them nice and brown on all sides. Remember, they're kind of soft, okay? So just take your time here. We don't want them to get mushy like mashed potatoes. Okay, so my potatoes and my sausage are done. Y'all see I went ahead and I fried those potatoes on up. Don't they look delicious? Yum, yum. And this ain't fake, y'all, because I ate one of them. And yes, these are out the can. Trust me, you can make something out of nothing if you know how to cook. But if you don't, these recipes will help you. Okay, let's move on to the next step, y'all. Sprayed my skillet and I am going to pour me a small amount of egg. I have 2 beaten eggs that I am going to use, and I am cooking my eggs. Okay, so my egg is done. I'm using sliced Kraft cheese, y'all. The deluxe kind. We gotta let that kind of sit there and melt for a second. Okay. work fast. I'm moving kind of slow, y'all. Let's see it bubbling up on that end. Okay, everyone, so my breakfast quesadillas are done, and then we made a breakfast taco as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this great video idea of some items that you may have at home. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel, Cooking with TK, for another great video. Peace and have a blessed day.